So it's not only about square footage, it's more about comfort, greenery, spacious.
I feel like spending my time here is going to be the best memories that I have from my childhood.
This is the place where we would like to be.
And we are focusing on building relationships here. So it's quite convincing that how Pristine team is building the community here.
इट्स अ टची फीलिंग जब आपको कोई फोर्सफुली फेल नहीं कर रहा है, आप अपने सेल्फ मोटिवेशन से जाके आप कुछ देख रहे हो और आपको पसंद आ रहा है.
Being a working professional, the definition of an ideal home for me is definitely a place where you feel harmony, where you feel peace. And the moment I came to see Pristine O2 World, the layout and the master plan, it gave me completely that vibe which I was actually looking for. The vision it gave me was like absolutely replica of the thought that I had in my mind.
I am totally excited, looking forward to that 65,000 square feet of the area that is provided to us by Pristine. There's the jogging track, there's squash, there's pool, you name it, and it's there. So I'm actually excited and looking forward to it.
So for me, if my perspective is, I would see I am definitely a fitness lover in terms of I like meditation, I like to do jogging, some sort of exercises.
Right from the layout of the flat, the amenities and the quality of the fixtures, the construction quality, we couldn't resist when we saw the sample flat, where we feel connected, where we feel relaxed, where we each family member has their own space, where my son has have their friends he can enjoy.
I've already imagined how my room will look like.
I think our kids' future is well secured here because of all the amenities that Pristine is offering. As per the location, the schools are nearby, all the sports activities or the extracurricular activities required, everything is in Pristine. We don't have to go anywhere outside. So it's a gated community, it's secured, it's pretty safe, and that's what every mother wants for a daughter.
When I come here, I peacefully watched the spacious flats over there, the combination of 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4 BHK. And when I interacted with the salesperson over here, they never forced me कि मैम आप कब ले रहे हो इस फ्लैट को, कब बुक कर रहे हो. So I get ample amount of time, right? This makes something different from others.
Being a homemaker, you know, so many responsibility you have to face, like to find a perfect place for kids, for in-laws, and for our atmosphere and all. So I was searching for a long time before. Then I stopped at Pristine. Oh my God, when I saw this project, all my requirements are fulfilled.
Coming back to home and then completing your pending work, wherein you have your own space to work and move around in the large space of the amenities and enjoy the beauty of the way Pristine is developing the project. That is what inspired and loved by us as a family.
I have my mom with me, I have my son with me. So, you know, a balance of everything that an elderly person or a kid would require, and definitely something that, you know, I, being a working professional, would prefer after coming home. So, a win-win situation, I would say.
The Pristine as a brand, it's a trustworthy brand.
जब मैं यहाँ पे आई तो I feel like कि मुझे अपना घर मिल गया.
Just think about your dream, and Pristine O2 developer will make your dream true.